This is it. The new Corvette interior is finally here, and this is the biggest leak I think we have seen yet. Hey guys, I'm Austin. Welcome back to the Speed Phenom YouTube channel. Today, while we're inside the studio, we have to go over the latest news going on right now with the new Corvette. This is going to be something that I've been looking forward to for a very, very long time. I originally got into the CA Corvette when it first came out. I remember seeing the reveal. It happened out actually an hour away from where I live in Tustin, California. It was just so cool seeing them unveil a brand new mid-engine Corvette. One thing that a lot of people are talking about, even myself, was the interior. When I got my first CA Corvette, I mean, it was so perfect in every way. I really was so happy with it. But there was one gripe I had with the interior. Even though it had all these brand new high quality components and leather features everywhere, well, there was a giant column of buttons. There's like a dozen or more buttons all dedicated to climate control. I was thinking to myself, this is a performance car. Why is there so much focus on all those features? Why not just focus more on just performance features? Anyways, guys, today in this video, it looks like Chevrolet has removed it. I can't wait to show you. It's kind of going all over the place online, these photos. People are either liking the new interior or not liking the new interior. So I want to get your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think? Are you a fan of this new interior? Real quickly, guys, make sure to go to speedphenom.com because you can be entered to win a Ford Mustang GT. Yep, all you have to do is go on speedphenom.com and you'll find a variety of ways to get entered into the car giveaway. You could take home a 7th generation Ford Mustang with almost 500 horsepower. We also have our new track day company, Speed Phenom Track, Attack, and other really cool merchandise on that website, so you can sign up for track days or pick up any gear you like and you're automatically entered into the Mustang giveaway. It's a really cool site and I'm so happy that we launched it not too long ago, and everyone has already entered into the giveaway or signed up already for the track day. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you on the track on June 8th at Willow Springs Raceway. Anyways, guys, back to the main content of today's video. So let me pull up the some of the shots we have seen so far. Now, this is simply off Google Images, and there's so many spy shots all over the place, but this one popped up right here from, I believe, MSN.com. Right here, MSN.com a day ago. Look at this screenshot of the new interior for the Corvette. It shows all these new variety of buttons right below the screen, and then you have a center HVAC outlet for the air, blowing air directly at your face, with a redesigned front Google Map inspired display. It looks really interesting because it's got more of an angle to it. It looks sleeker, and behind the display you have a leather outline that wraps all the way around to where the main center display is. It looks like that center display has been changed, and there's another display to the left of that display. So it's got the triple display system. What? Look at this next spy shot. This one's from Car and Driver. But yeah, it looks like this new Corvette display, if you compare it against, let's say, one of the older examples, there's just a center display, right, in that side screen. But now it looks like you have that center cockpit display, and then your right infotainment system with the left screens. If I compare this to, let's say, a Cadillac CT5V Blackwing display, we have the same thing. So if you look right here, you can see it's kind of angled and it's protruding downwards, but the problem is that it doesn't really, actually this shot doesn't show you the left side of the screen. Maybe on this side you can see, on the left side of the screen, it kind of goes left all the way to the outer, let's say, edge of the cockpit. It's a really cool design. It's very, very wide. When we look at this new Corvette interior, this is groundbreaking, guys. I think this is way better than I thought it was going to be. It's not just one new display. There's going to be two, it looks like. So you have surround displays. Could you imagine all those in the new Corvette ZR1? Or even better, I know I sold my Corvette Z06. I loved that car. I mean, if you were to get a Z06, this could be the Z06 to get, if they still make it in 2026. I think this is going to be possibly the greatest update we have seen yet for the Corvette. I know I had a lot of people commenting in a previous video with me talking about how, oh my gosh, the HVAC controls, the AC controls, they're taking up so much space, pull those out, give us newer tech. Some people are commenting saying they weren't a fan of that. With this new display, though, when we look at it, it's really cool because not only have they pulled out those extra buttons, making it more simple. If I show you right here on the screen, it just looks more futuristic, right? Look at that center beam. It even has like an opening for a handle. Let's say you're on the track. I remember seeing this quite a lot when I was giving people rides on track. They would try to hold on to that center beam. If we look back to my screen here and compare this to the years before with the Corvette interior, see that big center beam? It's just no longer a wall. There's an opening now. So I'm really curious, guys. What do you think about this new interior? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you have an order in for one of these new Corvettes, would you keep it? Would you keep it right now? Or do you wait to get a newer model? This is going to be I think the coolest refresh. I know they gave us a soft update or a soft refresh, giving you those Google Maps systems and more with like the 2024 Corvette Z06 and 2025. And when I say Z06, I mean all the Corvettes, obviously the Stingray, the E-Ray. They updated all those systems with the infotainment system. And with this new one, you're getting all new hardware. Can you believe that? Not just new software, but new hardware. So I don't know, guys. It's going to be really telling. The big question is, though, and I want to leave this question with all of you guys in today's video. Do you think that this is going to increase the price for the Corvette? It's already a pretty affordable car, but also an expensive car. How can I say that? It's like those are two opposite ends of the spectrum. In terms of what the C8 Corvette is, a mid-engine car, it's pretty affordable. But is it affordable compared to a Toyota Camry? No, it's expensive. The same can be said with the 1,000 horsepower ZR1. It's affordable in the sense of having 1,000 horsepower, right? Being a mid-engine supercar, it's twin turbocharged, but it's not affordable when you compare it to the grand scheme of things of what other cars cost. It's quite expensive. It's more money than an Audi R8 was new, I believe. I could be wrong about that. Check me, guys. Fact check me on that one. Could this increase the price? Because all these new displays could cost more money for the team to manufacture. And then they need to recoup those costs, of course. If there's less years of this new Corvette moving forward, they have less time to recoup those costs. So we could see maybe a $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 price hike for a Corvette because all these new displays are very advanced. There's one other thing that could happen with these new displays is that they could give us a more advanced version of the PDR system. Because when I went out to Georgia with the Cadillac team for the launch of the CT5V Blackwing back in during Halloween actually of last year, they showed me the new PDR system. It could record much higher quality. They said to do that, they had to give you a whole new processor. If they were able to revamp that car, give us the best PDR yet, and the fastest processor hardware yet, for the Cadillac, this new car looks like it has similar displays. We could be getting faster processing power, giving us better PDR control for data, giving us live inputs with the screens, like telling us, okay, brake later or get on gas earlier. And we could get better quality display video. So let me know your thoughts on that. Don't forget, guys, make sure to sign up for our June 8th track day at Big Willow. You can bring your Corvette out. We have a lot of Corvettes going. We have tons of great run groups for beginner, intermediate, and advanced drivers. So no matter your skill level, you can join us on the track and be comfortable and have some fun. I can't wait. And it's happening on June 8th. Spots are filling up. So make sure to go on speedphenom.com. You also get auto entries into the Mustang GT giveaway. So you could go to our track day and win a Ford Mustang GT. Otherwise, go to speedphenom.com and get entered right away for the Mustang GT giveaway. Any year pickup gets you automatically entered into the giveaway instantly, which is really cool. You'll find more about the rules and other terms on the website. You'll find that info on the screen or in the description down below to get to our site. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It really does help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you're up to date when I post a new video. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next episode.